Hello, first graders. Today we are going to practice taking an excellent photo in Seesaw. So you last week finished your story quilts. They're all done. But one thing that we have noticed is sometimes it's really hard to see your pictures in your Seesaw because of they're too small or maybe they're sideways or whatever. So we're going to talk about taking a great photo, because one of the types of art that you'll learn about as you get bigger is photography. So let's learn about taking a great photo with our Seesaw. So you'll see that there is a lesson called Story Quilt Final Picture in your activities. When you click Add Response, just like always, you're going to choose Photo. And when it does photo, it'll bring up our camera. All right, and you'll see that I have my picture story quilts are. They're a lot of paper, so if I go like this, that's not going to see my whole story quilt. And it'll get kind of fuzzy, too, if it gets too close. If I'm way back here, it might not work. We want to make it nice and square so it fills my screen really well. You can see that. This is a great time to get one of your helpers. If you have a grown-up or a big sister or brother, one of you can hold the picture really steady. The other one can take the picture. I know when I've done Seesaw at North Park, oftentimes we'll use the buddy systems to take our pictures so we get really good ones. So once it's nice and steady, click. And now I have a good picture of my art. Now, I've got the good picture, but I've got all this extra stuff, right? My messy art room and all that stuff. So I don't want to see all that in my picture. So I'm going to use the 3 dots. Do you see this 3-dot tool? And I'm going to find the shapes. I know you've used these shapes for other Seesaw activities. The only shape, the only one we want to use is our rectangle. And we're going to click on that, and we're going to slide it to the left, and then slide it down so it covers up my fingers and the edges of the paper there. And now I have this rectangle. Now I want you to watch. Right now it's blue. And if I look at this picture, to me, it looks like the blue is popping out in front of my art. The blue looks more important than my art right now because it's so bright. Watch what happens when I click the black. The art pops out. Do you see that? So we're going to turn our rectangles to neutral colors, blacks or grays, because when you use those colors, it pops out. And you can really see your art, and your art becomes more important than the frame, which is exactly how it should be. So I'm going to have you click the 3 dots on the left, and you're going to find a big word with a plus sign that says duplicate. And if you do that, now I have 2 rectangles, and I can put the other one on this side, and now I have a nicely framed photo of my art. Looks beautiful. And I can click the green check. And when we come over to our secret teacher side here, activity, and I look here, my photo, it's right there, and it's beautiful with its nice framing. So today, your job is to take one really amazing photo of your artwork, then frame your artwork using the shape tools, and then click the green check to turn in your art. Easy peasy. What a great way to end up.